Did you know that Standard Time has a project wizard that can help you set up new projects and assign clients to them and set up a list of project tasks that you can enter time into on the timesheet? This menu item and the others that you see here were formerly in the help menu on older versions of Standard Time, but they're now in the file menu. The project wizard is actually one of those things that pops up when you first install Standard Time, and so some people are not ready for that and they'll close it and then forget all about it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it does. We're going to go through a series of panels here to add a new project, add some tasks, and then optionally add a client. I'm going to go ahead and click Next and type in the name of a new project. Now, I could, if I just wanted to add project tasks, choose from an existing project below. But I'm going to actually create a brand new project here. Then I'm given the opportunity to type in the names of project tasks. Each project task would take up a line in this list, so I'm going to just paste in a list that I have here. So 3 tasks, click Next. All of these tasks are going to be billable to a client, so I'm going to create a new client for this project. So you notice that I named it the same as the project. Now, Standard Time allows you to have multiple projects per client. So if I have a client that I do lots of jobs for, I don't necessarily have to create a new client here. I could actually choose from the list below. So in this case, I'm going to create a new project and a new client with the same name. Click Next. This gives us a list of things that we can do with our new tasks. We can go to the View menu, choose Quick Tasks, and start and stop a timer with a checkbox. You can enter time directly into the timesheet. You can right-click on a project task. We're going to see some other things that we can do. So I'm going to go ahead and click Finish. We now see our new project here and our new tasks. You can simply go into the days of the week and enter time, or you can go to the View menu, choose Quick Tasks. We then see our new project here and the tasks. You see a checkbox next to each one of those. If I click on those, it'll start and stop the timer and put the time directly into the timesheet. Another thing that you'll see with these tasks is some more information over in the Project Tasks tab. So let's go ahead and click on that. We see this new project listed here and our 3 tasks. Actually, we're seeing all the projects in the system. So let's go ahead and filter that down by going over to the left-hand tree and clicking on our new project here. Close that back up. So now we've filtered out the view, so we're only looking at this particular project. And we see the yellow X at the top, meaning that we're filtering the view. In this view, we are then allowed to set up a duration for each of these tasks if we know how long the task will take. We'll see the actual work that's been typed into the timesheet, and that gives us a % complete. If you go to the View menu, go to Columns, you can actually see a lot of other columns that you can put in for each project task. So you may consider exploring that to see some of the things you can put in. For instance, you could add the client as a column. You put in the client rate, cost client, cost salary. There are other fields like due date, Gantt. There's forum messages, and on. You see a start date, finish date. There are task error percentage warnings. So a variety of other fields that you can add to this view to help you track the time for your tasks. And of course they will show up in the timesheet where you can simply enter time. So this little project wizard over in the file menu can be a real time saver when creating new projects and tasks to enter time against.